Hi my dear friends, today I am coming with the best Omillionaire draw jackpot prediction which is drawing on 21st July 2022. I will show here with proof. This is wonderful trick, so please look it carefully. Friends, this is the past results. Draw was held on 19th May 2022. Whenever in Omillionaire draw 12 number came in the result, after next draw 4 number was came 19, 26, 27 and 35. These four numbers will attract after 12 number in the result. In next, this was happened on 9th June 2022. 12 number was came. After that in next draw 16 June 2022, again same numbers 19, 26, 27 and 35 came again. First time you can see when 12 was came, these four numbers came. In second time when 12 was came, again these same four numbers was came, 19, 26, 27 and 35. Now third time 12 has came in our previous result, 12, 17, 25, 27, 38, 39 and 42. According to this routine, these four numbers should come in the next our upcoming draw 19, 26, 27 and 35. These numbers are powerful for our upcoming draw. If you like, you should select in your selection. Now more thing, when 12 was came, I write here four numbers 39, 43, 34 and 42. First time when 12 was came, from these number one number came 39. Okay. Second time when 12 was came, from here one number came, that is 43. Now according to this routine, remaining number 34 and 42. One number should come from here, 34 and 42. You like any number from it, you can choose. Okay, 34 and 42. Remaining two numbers, any number you like you can choose. Okay, these are good numbers. I am showing here with proof. In my suggestion, you can go with these numbers and try your luck. Okay friends, so in the end, good luck to all, and I hope you like this routine.